Now your home can have a superpower to keep the missus cool, to aid your child's education, to help the parents, and to be the boss's good books. Introducing your home's personal superpower. The Amaze HKVA range, a power backup solution that can run every appliance in your home, showrooms or office non-stop. So you never run out, never have to stop. A closely packed design that saves space, elegant ergonomic form factor, multifunctional buttons, LCD display and stylish new age graphic pattern inlay. Expect powerful performance with the pure sine wave technology, efficient load management, inbuilt TDR that can run ACs, quick battery charging, mains bypass switch so you are always in control, and the promise of no load shutdown prevention. Range starting from 2.8 kVA to 12.5 kVA. Trusted by Virat Kohli, the king of powerful performance. The Amaze HKVA range, your home's personal superpower.